Seat updated its Ibiza, adding a refreshed exterior look, a revolution to the interior, as well as new levels of connectivity and driver assistance systems. The Seat Ibiza has been a key pillar of the brand's success since it was first introduced back in 1984, and after 37 years, 5 generations and nearly 6 million sales, it's Seat's most successful vehicle to ever roll off the production line. The facelifted 5th generation is aiming to maintain that winning mentality as a key model in its segment in Europe.